So good evening everyone. My name is Tanishk and I am from Bharatpur, Rajasthan, and I have completed my graduation from JECRC University in 2024 from BTech Computer Science. So after completing my graduation, I got an opportunity from Brainwire Infotech, off-campus placement kind of. So there was I went to the software developer intern in PHP technology and its Magento framework. So after enrolling in the course, I had a very great experience here in Skill Horizon. Like I learned about Salesforce starting from scratch under the guidance of Sanjay Gupta sir, and I connected with many people who are also switching their domains and made great connections here in Skill Horizon, made great friends, and yeah, it was overall a good experience there at Skill Horizon from the learning perspective and also hands-on practical perspective also.
Where are you currently placed and what is your role?
So after the completion of Tech Elevate cohort program, I got an offer from SPTech USA for the role of Salesforce developer. So I joined there and I am currently work there as a Salesforce developer. So yeah, I am very happy for the opportunity provided by the Skill Horizon. It was great opportunity for me to starting the Salesforce journey.
What stood out to you about the program or mentorship here?
So after completing my internship from Brainwire Infotech in PHP technology and its Magento framework, I felt that Magento does not have so much future scope. So I decided to change the technology into Salesforce. So I was configuring that what would be great approach and great path for me. Then I came to know from LinkedIn post, then there is a program called Tech Elevate cohort of Skill Horizon in collaboration with OneShift Technologies. So I enrolled there and start the learning from there.
Were there any mentors or instructors who helped you through this journey?
So during my journey of this program of Tech Elevate cohort, I interacted with many mentors in the Skill Horizon. So first of all, I would like to talk about Sanjay Gupta sir. So under his guidance, I learned about Salesforce starting from scratch to end with end-to-end practical hands-on scenarios. Then for the soft skills and communication skills, I interacted with the Shipra ma'am. She is the mentor here in Skill Horizon. She taught us about how to practice for the interviews, mock interviews. Then for the BA and QA sessions, I interacted with Chaitanya sir. They taught us about the whole environment of like how BA perspective works in the industry, how QA perspective works in the industry, and also there was also Prashant sir for the UI UX program. They taught us about how LinkedIn profile we can improve, how the UI and UX plays important role in the industry. So yeah.